Welcome to Moneris. This video outlines everything you need to know to set up your terminal and be payment ready. When your welcome kit arrives, please confirm you have received your terminal, the 2-part power supply cable, the magic box, the Ethernet cable, the paper roll, and the white POS administration card, and the Setting Up Your Terminal guide. You will also need your merchant ID, which can be found in your welcome email. If your Ethernet network is protected by a firewall, please review the IP readiness checklist available at moneris.com/checklist before you begin these steps, and ensure that your Ethernet network is ready to support your terminal. Start by inserting one end of the Ethernet cable into the ETH port on the magic box. Insert the other end of the Ethernet cable into an Ethernet wall jack or into your router. Next, connect the 2-part power supply plug. Then, connect the adapter cable to the magic box's circular port, which is labeled with the power symbol. Plug the other end of the power cable into a power source. Now, load the paper roll into your terminal. Open the paper roll holder at the top of the terminal by pulling up on the printer latch. Pull the latch away to completely open. Now, insert the paper roll into the terminal. The paper should unroll from the bottom of the roll towards the front of the terminal. Pull some of the paper up and press the printer latch closed. Your screen should now read Terminal Setup Required. Press pound twice. Enter 08 and press the green OK button. Select Comms Type and press the green OK button. Scroll down using the F1 key to select Ethernet and press the green OK button. When the Ethernet Setup menu appears with Terminal Setup highlighted, press the red Cancel button, then press the green OK button. You should now see Terminal Setup Required appear for a second time. Press pound twice. Enter 01 and press the green OK button. You will be asked to enter your 13-digit merchant ID, which you can find in your welcome email. Then press the green OK button. You will now be asked to enter the initialization phone number. Please refer to the Setting Up Your Terminal guide to find the number that matches the beginning of your merchant number. Once you have entered the phone number, press the green OK button to continue. Your screen should now be reading Sending, Receiving, Processing. This means your terminal is initializing. When Swipe Admin Card appears, swipe the white POS administration card. Then wait while the terminal communicates with the Moneris host to log on. When your screen reads Purchase Enter Amount, set up a password to restrict access to manually entering card numbers. Decide on your password. It must be 5 to 10 digits long and cannot be consecutive numbers or repeating numbers. From the Purchase Enter Amount screen, press the pound key twice. At the Enter Admin Code prompt, key in 22 and press the green OK button. At the Swipe Admin Card prompt, swipe the white POS administration card. At the Enable Password prompt, select Yes by pressing the key under it. At the Enter New 5 to 10-digit admin password prompt, key in the password you selected, then press the green OK button. At the Re-enter New Admin Password prompt, key in the same password and press the green OK button. The message Admin Password Setup Successfully appears briefly. Then the security menu appears. Press the red Cancel button twice. When your screen reads Purchase Enter Amount, you have completed the setup. Congratulations! You are now payment ready and can start processing payments with your terminal. For more information on how to configure optional features, refer to the Setting Up Your Terminal guide in your welcome kit. If you require further assistance, please go to moneris.com or call Moneris Customer Care at 1-866 319 7450.